नमस्कार दोस्तों, welcome to the Plastotech, the world of plastics. So guys, today I'm going to tell you all about how to change the mold in injection molding machine. So first of all, I would like to thank you all for supporting me throughout my journey of this Plastotech, and you people are always supportive. You all supported me a lot. So guys, today's topic is about learning how to change the mold. So let's start. With the help of video, I'm going to tell you how to change the mold. It's a quite easy process and definitely you will learn it. And please subscribe our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for the latest notifications. So guys, this is the crane system. Now the remote of crane, which consists of off, on, up, down, east, west, north, south buttons. So this is the important. By pressing that particular button, you can move the crane in that particular direction. Now if I'm now you can see that I'm pressing it at up, then the crane will start moving in upward direction. Now I'll just press down button and you can clearly see that the system is moving towards the downward direction. So now the next step is we would reach out that particular crane at the top of the mold. Now it's time to clamp. Now you can clearly see that how good we are clamping. The clamp should be properly clamped. It should be properly tightened so that it should not be loosened. So guys, you can clearly see it how we are tightening that particular clamp. You have to remember that the clamp should be tightened properly. Now after tightening the clamp, you can see that the clamp has been completely tightened. Now we will going to press the up button. Just I have pressed the up button from the remote. Now what happened? The mold will start moving towards the upper direction. Now remember, we have to press the button continue till the mold reaches above the machine. It means the above the section of the machine, so that it can move properly. Otherwise while just pressing east or west, the mold can be hit in the machine. That can also cause a great damage. So always remember, the mold should be at above the machine. Now my machine is at the east direction, so I am just pressing east button and my complete crane system will start moving towards the east direction. You can clearly see that how the crane is moving. Remember that you should be pressing continuously the button. Do not jerk out otherwise the mold will jerk. If you will just press the button alternatively, then what happen, there will be a jerking, so that your mold can be fallen off or any other damage can also be seen. Remember that while moving the mold, no one should be below the mold. That is for the safety purpose. Now you can see that how we are going to fix that mold. That mold should be in between those tie bars which are attached in the machine. Now you can see that the mold clearly, by pressing down button, we can clearly just force mold in the downward direction, and we will definitely fix it on the machine. Now what happened, we are going to just check that proper holes, the screw holes of mold and the hole of machine should be at exact position, so that at the time of clamping or at the time of filling there should not be any problem. So this we have to see, otherwise ejector rod and all will create a problem. Now you can see that I'm going to fix out that particular mold. This is a toggle system machine. At the toggle system, what happened, the toggle must be complete straightened L-shaped, then it has taken perfection of locking. That is important for clamping. Remember that the toggle should be a complete straightened, that is in L shape, or if it is in V shaped, then what happened, your mold has not been completely adjusted. Now you can see that we can adjust mold by pressing these buttons. The toggle can be adjusted. Now you can see that the toggle is little bit in V shape. Now we will just increase. Now we are just increasing the mold adjustment, mold height. Now you can see that the actual position is being shown there. Now again, by at in setting mode, you will just make it forward. The toggle should be in forward. Remember that the setting, there should be a setting mode, because if you are doing in hands mode, then it's quite faster, then sometime it may cause certain damage if you are not accurate with the machine. So remember that there should be a setting mode. Now we are just touching that barrel with the mold sprue. Now I'll apply some grease over there. You can see that I have applied some grease, and there should be a proper cut mark, and it's looking that it's a proper. Remember that this mold doesn't have locating ring. I plan to teach you just because of locating ring. Now you can see that I have just placed some grease over there. There are many methods to find out the center, but this is one of a common method that I'm using to teach you. What happened at this particular process, the machine, the nozzle will cut at the center point. Now we can see that by applying some grease over it's around the center, but I think it's not completely adjusted. So there is another method to check it out. Once more we will check with the applying grease. Now you can see that now it's looking some better. That now it's looking that the sprue is at center point. Now to check, another step is there by applying a certain paper over there. If paper is cutted completely from the center, if it is being cutted properly, then it means that our center is okay. It should be cutted like this. So it was not proper. I have adjusted. Now you can see that it has cutted like this. So this is the proper way of adjusting the nozzle with the sprue. Now the mold has been fitted. Now it's time to clamp the mold. We'll clamp it by the help of clamper. You can see that it's quite easy process. You can easily do the clamping of mold. These are the nut bolts that should be. By applying that, you can easily clamp out the mold. Remember a few things, that it should be properly tightened and adjusted. You after clamping, you should always check by hitting or by simple means, so that your mold should be properly adjusted, or it should have to be properly clamped. Otherwise, sometime by opening or closing, it may also fall down, or it may also cause certain damage, destruction, or it may cause accidents also. So you have to remember that. So this was a quite easy process, and definitely the size of it should be less than the the fixed platen size of your mold. The size of that bar should be less than that. If it would be more than that, then it would be typical. Now it's time to fix out the cooling system. Now you can see that this is the in and out. Here it has been mentioned. Now we'll just fix the in pipe over one end and another out pipe over another end. We'll just make some loop system. There are different ways also. You can check it by applying certain air over there. You will see it where the water is coming, that is in and out. This is you have to done by your brain, your simple ways. If it has not been mentioned in your mold, sometime it's mentioned in the mold, then it becomes quite easy. Now we will open the hopper. You can see that this is how we are opening the hopper. A simple method that I wanna teach you so that you can learn it easily in a easy way. Now you can see that this is how we are purging a common machine, a common system. So some safety precautions you have to remember: always wear gloves and all. These are certain industries where these things were not possible, so just to teach you all, I have not said anything to them, but definitely you have to wear all those safety equipments before running all these machines, because safety is very important in each and every prospect. Now you can see that how we are purging. Simple purging method is there. By at the hand mode you can easily purge it out, so it's quite easy. First press the plasticizing button, then your material will be plasticized in the barrel, then just press the injection button and it will be. Now it's time to set out the injection. The movement of barrel should be there. You can see that the light should be blinked if there is a system of that is called proximity sensor. Now you can clearly see that we have completed the process of product. Later on I'll teach you simple single settings where you can easily understand each and everything. This is a basic video for teaching how we are going to set mold. I'll teach you in 3 or 4 more videos of mold changing, then you will definitely learn each and everything. That is quite easy process. So it's for beginners who are just beginning, and later on I'll tell you each and every single setting. Now it's time to just unloading of mold. I'll teach you the unloading process of the mold. It's also quite easy. Just open the clamp system. First of all just press the anti-corrosion spray so that there should not be any corrosion if the mold is being kept for a longer period of time and or shorter period of time. You should always just spray out that. Now we'll move the crane just above the mold and I'm going to press the down key. After pressing the down key, the system of crane, the rope of the crane will start moving at a downward direction. Now nothing we have to do, we have to just clamp these bolts on the above hanger of the mold. Now you can see that how we will do. It's a simple process, just however we were doing at the time of loading. Similarly we will just clamp it out. You can see that how we are tightening the bolt, tightening the clamps to just press the mold up. It's simple process. Now we'll just tighten little bit the rope. We will tighten the rope little bit, not so much but a little bit we have to tighten. Now it's time. Now what we will do, we will just open up the clamps. For opening the clamps we have to move that rod in a anti-clockwise direction. You can clearly see that it's simple as you can see, but you need some power to just move that bolt because they are at a very tightened condition. Now this man is doing at a faster way and he is definitely so quick in doing all those things. Now we will turn it off, the water system, the cooling system, the cooling channel, and we will just eject out these pipes, these cooling pipes which was in another direction. Now we will unclamp these molds also, these clamps also. Now you can see that the clamps are easily been removed, we will just in a setting mode we will just move the toggle backward direction. Either it should be a toggle or it should be a RAM. We will just move it backward in a slow or steady way, so that mold can be easily, if you will press the toggle backward in a hand mode, then it will move very fast and your mold will start shrinking. So by pressing upper direction button, we will just make mold out of these tie bars out from the machine. And this was the process. So guys, do subscribe our channel, press the bell icon and stay tuned with us. Thank you, and guys, have a great day.